Facing the cannot verify server identity error in Safari on your iPhone? This happens when Safari can't confirm the website's SSL certificate, raising security issues. It can be caused by expired certificates, incorrect time settings, or network problems. I will show you how to fix the cannot verify server identity error in Safari step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap General. Scroll down, tap Date and Time. Toggle on Set Automatically. Incorrect date and time settings can cause issues with verifying server certificates. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your action. Clearing cache data and cookies can help if the error is caused by an outdated certificate. Now go back. Scroll down. Tap Advanced. Tap Website Data. Tap Remove All Website Data. Solution 3. Remove the unknown extension. Open Setting. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out Safari Browser. Tap Extensions. If you find any unknown extensions, remove it from your device. Solution 4. Restart Safari and your iPhone. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Find the Safari app in the list of open apps. Swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Now restart your iPhone after that. Reopen Safari and try accessing the website again. A fresh restart of Safari can resolve temporary issues with SSL certificates. Solution 5. Disable VPN or Proxy. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap VPN and Device Management. Toggle off VPN if it's on. Sometimes VPNs or proxies can interfere with server certificate verification, leading to this error. These steps should help you fix the cannot verify server identity error on Safari. If the problem continues, you may need to reach out to your email or web service provider, especially if it's happening on a secure site like mail server.